presence was all I needed. Through the storm, we found our way. In silence, love would never fade. We built our worlds from shattered dreams, falling apart, but still it seemed our hearts knew the way to heal, a bond that time couldn't steal. When the weight of the world felt too much, you held me close, I could feel your touch. And though we were lost, we never gave in. The love we had always let us begin. In the quiet of my heart, I know you're here, we'll never part. Through the pain we learned to be two souls intertwined eternally. In the quiet of my heart, you're my strength, my guiding star. No distance can make us stray, our love will find a way. The years went by, but we stayed true. Through every battle, I always knew your love was the anchor that held me tight. In the darkest hours, you were my light. Even when words were hard to find, I could see your heart mirrored mine. We built our love from tears and fear, now it's forever, crystal clear. When the world around us started to break, we never faltered for love's sake. And through the quiet, we found our grace. With every step we embraced our place. In the quiet of my heart, I know you're here, we'll never part. Through the pain we learned to be two souls intertwined eternally. In the quiet of my heart, you're my strength, my guiding star. No distance can make us stray, our love will find a way. Through every tear, we've grown so strong. Our love has been the place we belong. No matter where life takes us next, our bond was steady, we embraced our place. Quiet of my heart, I know you're here, we'll never part. Through the pain we